Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing Audacity and your file. Make sure Audacity 3, X or later is installed and that FFmpeg is available if needed. Import the stereo audio file now, then right-click the track name and choose Split Stereo to Mono so you have left and right on separate tracks. Once split, mute one track briefly to confirm left and right content. You're doing this because most music is centered, and vocals are centered too. This split is the first step toward removing the background music. Now perform center channel subtraction to cancel centered music. Select one of the mono tracks and apply Effect Invert. This flips the waveform polarity so identical centered signals subtract when summed. Make sure both tracks are exactly aligned. Nudge with time shift if necessary. Set both track voices to mono and then go to tracks Mix and render to new track. Once done, listen to the new mono result. Centered instruments should be reduced, revealing more of the off-center audio and isolated elements you want. Finish by cleaning artifacts and balancing levels. First, select a noise profile from a silent portion and run Effect Noise Reduction to tame residual music. Then use Effect Filter Curve EQ or high-pass/low pass filters to reduce remaining band energy. Gentle cuts work best. If the subtraction made things worse, undo and check alignment and phase. Tiny offsets break cancellation. Also solo left and right to inspect differences. Make sure you export a copy. File export as WAV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.